This video is going to review how to multiply a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number using the standard algorithm. I know I had several students that were absent yesterday or at gate, so I'm going to go ahead and review what we learned on Wednesday. Okay. So our first problem is 36 times 24, and we are always going to estimate first. So 36 rounds to become 40. And 24 rounds to 20. There are 2 zeros. 4 times 2 is 8. So our estimate is 800. I'm going to say that our answer should be around 800. Now I'm going to solve using the standard algorithm. 36 times 24. I'm going to start with the ones place on the bottom number and multiply it times the 2 top digits. So I have 4 times 6, which is 24. I'm going to put down my 4, carry my 2, box it. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So my first row is 144. I now need to move on and multiply by the 2 in the tens place. So I'm basically multiplying 20 times 6 and 20 times 30. To do that, I'm going to put a 0 down here as a placeholder, and we learned a fun saying yesterday, borders being okay. But anyways, we say kill it, bury it, get rid of the evidence. Okay. I'm going to switch colors so you can see that I'm now moving on to the tens place. So I'm going to do 2 times 6, which is 12. I'm going to put down my 2, carry my 1. 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 1 is 7. 0 and 4, make 0. I'm sorry, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 7 plus 1 is 8. 864, which is close to our estimate. I'm going to work another problem. Let's see, we'll do 43 times 82. 43 rounds to 40, and 82 rounds to 80. There are 2 zeros. 4 times 8 is 32. So our estimate is 3,200. For this problem, I'm going to go ahead and turn my paper to use the lines on the paper, the rows, and I'm going to make them columns, just in case you struggle with keeping your digits lined up in their place value. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. 43 times 82. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. I did not have to carry anything that time. So I'm going to kill it, bury it, and there's no evidence to get rid of. I'm moving on to the tens place now. 8 times 3 is 24. So I'm going to put down my 4 and carry my 2. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2 is 34. You can see I have all my digits in the right place value. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to put down my 2, carry my 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 3 plus nothing is 3. 3,526. Our estimation was 3,200. And both of our numbers right here rounded down instead of rounding up. So that I know that this number, my estimate, is going to be less than the exact number because my 43 went down and my 82 went down. So this number is smaller than my actual answer, which is true. 3,200 is smaller than 3,526, but they are close enough to let me know that that one is correct. For your work today, you should be using the standard algorithm. And if you're struggling, you can ask the teacher for help in walking through the steps, but you also have classmates that were pretty good at this. We're doing pretty well at this, so you can also ask them.